So in today's video we're going to unbox Razer Kiyo, which is a streaming webcam, and it features two really interesting things: a webcam that can stream in 60 frames per second in 720p and 12 LEDs to light you up in the dark. Is it any good? I have zero idea, but it looks kind of cool, right? Let's unbox it. Hey, how is it going, guys? Robin here on Chips Entertainment, bringing you the best tips and tools for gaming on this channel. You'll find PC components, tech gadgets and console accessories, as well as product reviews and unboxings such as this one. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any uploads. So glad you made it here. Today we're gonna unbox the Kiyo from Razer, which is a streaming webcam. On the front of the package you can actually read that for best streaming experience, download Open Broadcast software or XSplit. Open Broadcast software is also known as OBS, which is a software that most streamers use when streaming on Twitch and YouTube gaming. This camera can stream in 60 frames per second in 720p and in 30 frames per second in 1080p. Now usually you're not gonna go a full screen when streaming anyway, so 720p 60 fps is really interesting. What we also need to touch on is the 12 LEDs, of course. I've never seen this before. It's actually 12 LEDs around this camera here to help you light up in the dark, and the color temperature is right about 5600 Kelvin, which is what we like to call daylight, so it should give us some pretty decent lightning. Razer calls this milky white. And you connect this through a USB, which is braided. It's 1.5 meters in length. This is what I like about Razer. They have sort of thought everything through very carefully. A little plastic thing to grab onto here, so you can simply just... Usually this works, this time it didn't. Alright, oh well. Here we go. So this is what I like about Razer. Everything is just so nicely done, the packaging, the products. Usually I used to hate Razer, but back in the days the quality control was kind of poor. So one of the reasons why I didn't like them, not any longer however. So we got a translucent welcome message here, congratulations. And yeah, there is no turning back now. Thank you so much for this kind letter, I really appreciate it. So what do we got here? It's I guess this is the... oh, nice, look at that. Look at that. So nice, right? Such nice packaging. It's just next level always. Right, so what do we got here? Let's just open this first. It's Christmas all over again. I love it. So it's an instruction manual. Nice. Oh, look at that, the stickers. The mandatory stickers, right? Fantastic. I'm gonna take great care of these. Alright, so let's dive deeper. Jesus Christ. Sorry about that, guys. So here's the braided 1.5 meter cable. Here we go. Nice, quite heavy, gotta say. It's actually really heavy. So this is the L-shaped joint, but you can, if you want, also use a tripod. That is not included, but you can. You got the mountings underneath, but this feels really high quality, I gotta say. So this is probably gonna sit perfect on the top of the monitor. So I wouldn't say there's gonna be any issues whatsoever. It's quite heavy though, something to have in mind, I guess. So the box is empty now. We obviously need to try this out. Alright, so let's just take this off. This looks really interesting. I cannot wait to try this out. Let's see if I can grab onto my computer and find an empty USB slot. Alright, so we got one here. There we go. Alright, uno segundo. Oh, look at that. Look at that on the back, you can actually... what a nice detail, right? There's a logo on the back. You can even use it on a tripod. That's just so genius. Look at that. Have you ever seen such a beautiful guy? Oh, there we go. Look at that. Here we go. Right, so look at that, right? So you got 12 levels in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is the brightest its brightest level. Let's see if I can turn a few lights off so you guys can get a better idea how light this actually gets. I gotta say it's quite light. Right guys, it's gonna be a full review coming out within the upcoming days. But guys, that's it. All links, more details down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, have an awesome day, alright? Bye!